In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute headband. It's going to be easy tutorial, so let's get started. I'm going to use cotton yarn in color pink and white. Then we'll also need a pair of scissors and yarning needle. We're going to start with making a magic ring. To make magic ring, I'll wrap the yarn around my two fingers like this. Insert your hook below the first loop, pull the second loop and twist it. Then hold it and make one chain. Now I'll make two more chains. Then into the ring I'm going to put two double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops. We'll yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. Make one more double crochet. Then we'll make 2 chains. 2 more double crochets into the ring. Chain 2, 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2, 2 double crochets into the ring. Then I'll make 2 chains and we're going to make slip stitch. Before that we'll pull the short end and close the ring. Then on the top of third chain we're going to make slip stitch. So these are the chains that we've made. So on the third chain we'll insert our hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through that stitch and pull through the loop on your hook. And now we're going to cut the yarn. Now we have 4 corners. I'll insert hook into any one corner. Then I'll take the pink yarn and place it like this. Then yarn over and pull through that space, yarn over and make one chain. So we have connected the pink yarn. Now I'll chain 1. In each corner we're going to place 2 single crochet, chain 2 and 2 single crochet. To make single crochet, I'll insert my hook into that space, yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. We'll place one more single crochet into the same space. Then we'll make 2 chains and 2 more single crochet into that same space. Now we have 2 double crochet from the previous round. So we're going to place one single crochet on top of each of them. So we'll pull the stitches backwards and place one single crochet. Into the next stitch we'll place one single crochet. And then we have corner. So into the corner we'll place 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochet, all into the same space. And now we're going to repeat the same steps. On top of both the double crochet we'll place one single crochet each. Then into the corner 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 more single crochet, and we'll repeat same for the whole round. Once you're done, then on the top of first single crochet I'll make a slip stitch. And then I'm going to cut the yarn. And we'll hide in the loose end. We'll repeat same steps and make 4 of these. Now we're going to join them together. So we'll take 2 granny squares and place them with the right sides facing towards each other. And then we're going to connect them. So we're going to connect them through the back loops. For each square we have front loop and back loop. And same for the second square. So I'll insert yarning needle into the back loops of both the squares. and pull the yarn, and we're going to repeat this till the end. Then we'll hide in the loose end. Then cut the yarn. Like this we're going to connect all of the squares together. Once you're done with joining, then we're going to work around the granny squares. At each corner we have chain 2 space, so I'm going to insert my hook into that space, and then I'll take the white yarn. We'll place it like this, yarn over and pull through that space, yarn over and make one chain. Then I'm going to make one more chain. Into each corner we're going to place 2 single crochets. So I'll insert my hook into that same space, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through both the loops. We'll place 2 single crochet into each corner. Then on top of each stitch we're going to place 1 single crochet. Just like this we're going to continue till this corner. So I'm again at the corner. Into this corner we're going to place 2 single crochets. Now along this line we have 6 single crochets and then corner. So on top of each stitch we're going to place 1 single crochet. Then at the corner we'll place 2 single crochets and place 1 single crochet in each stitch. At corner place 2 single crochets. Like this we'll complete the round. And once you complete the round, then we'll make slip stitch on top of first stitch. Now we're going to work for the triangle part. So what I'm going to do is chain 1 and then we'll turn our work. Then along this line we have total 8 single crochets. So we'll place 1 single crochet on top of each stitch, starting with the first stitch. Now without chaining, I'm going to turn the work. We'll place 1 single crochet in each stitch except for last 2 stitches. So we'll start with the first stitch. So I'll insert my hook into the second last stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then insert your hook into the last stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops. We'll yarn over and pull through all 3 of them. Now turn the work and repeat the same steps until you're left with last 2 stitches. Then in the last 2 stitches we're going to place 1 decrease. We're going to repeat same steps till we're left with 3 stitches at the end. I'm left with 3 stitches, so I'll turn the work, then insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and do the same for the last stitch. Now we have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook, and then we're going to make chains. So I've made total 35 chains. Now and we'll cut the yarn and pull through it. Now I'll show you how to attach yarn on this side. Here we add 2 single crochets. So I'll insert my hook into the second single crochet and I'll take the white yarn, place it like this, yarn over and pull through that stitch. Yarn over and make one chain. Along this line we have total 8 single crochets, so we'll place one single crochet on top of each stitch and we're going to repeat the same steps that we used to make the other side, and then we'll hide all loose ends. So we're done with the tutorial. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.